In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Drive to YouTube using a simple automation tool called Zapier. This integration can save you time and help you streamline your video uploads. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is open your web browser and navigate to the Zapier homepage. Once you're there, log into your account. If you don't have one yet, no worries. Just create an account by following the on-screen instructions. After you've logged in, it's time to create a new workflow, which is known as a Zap on Zapier. Look for the big Create button on the homepage and give that a click. You'll see some options pop up, and you want to select Zaps to start building your automation. Next, we're going to search for the integration that connects Google Drive to YouTube. In the search bar, type Copilot Connect Google Drive and YouTube. When you see the correct integration appear, you'll want to click on Add All Steps to Zap. This action will populate your workflow space with the necessary steps for your integration. Now let's set up the Google Drive trigger. This is the event that will start the entire process. You'll need to select a trigger event, and a good choice here is New File in Folder. Once that's selected, it's time to sign in to your Google account. Zapier will prompt you to grant it the necessary permissions to access your Google Drive, so make sure to allow that. After you've connected your account, it's time to configure the settings. You'll need to specify which folder on Google Drive you want Zapier to monitor for new videos. This step is crucial because it tells Zapier exactly where to look for new content. With the Google Drive side set up, we can move on to the YouTube action. You'll want to select the action that says Upload Video. Just like before, Zapier will ask you to sign in to your YouTube account. After signing in, make sure to authorize Zapier to access your YouTube account as well. Now, let's configure how you want the video to appear on YouTube. You'll have an opportunity to set the title, description, and privacy settings for the video. You can choose from public, private, or unlisted based on how you want to share your videos with the audience. Once you've set that up, it's time to put it all to the test. Click the Test button to run a simulation. This step is important because it ensures that the file transfers correctly from Google Drive to YouTube. If the test is successful, you'll see a confirmation. From there, all you have to do is click Publish to activate your Zap and start the automated process. And there you have it. Connecting Google Drive to YouTube using Zapier is a straightforward process that can significantly enhance your video upload workflow. Enjoy the automation, and remember, if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.